Hey everyone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check for updates in Windows 11. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is come over here to the search bar. And we can look up check for updates. Click on that right there. And basically, it'll take us to this page. It'll say Windows Update. It'll ask me check for updates. You can pause updates, update history, all that stuff. So what we want to do is click check for updates, and then it says we're up to date. But if it does say there's updates, there'll usually be a button up here that says install now. So yeah. Alright, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends, and until next time, goodbye.